Hi guys, so on this fateful evening, I was so tired thinking of what to prepare for my kids. So I went straight to my fridge. I got some leftover. Just see what I'll prepare with all this leftover, guys. Not be every time we dey think of what to cook. Some things wey dey your food, you say you no wan use. You just see say the thing you no get wetin you wan use and do. But if you gather am together, food don come oh. See as I just slice dis thing so as you dey see am, just dey look as I go take prepare dis food. Just watch dis video to the end. Please don't forget to give me like. Please like this video. God bless you. See you guys some other time.